Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have discussed voucher, types of voucher and what are the uses of voucher, what are the details contained in the voucher, and we have seen illustration 3 about what are the two effects of the transaction, that if any transaction is given to us, then what two effects can be given to it. So voucher, types of voucher, components of voucher, dual effects of transactions. In that again I will repeat, for dual effect of transactions, according to personal account, any person either will give the benefit, will be the giver or will be the receiver. For real accounts, increase in decrease of assets or goods, and either expense is incurred or income is realized, then it is nominal account. According to that, illustration 3 was seen. Now friends, moving to next topic, that is on page number 31, types of accounts. What is an account? Information about it is obtained in chapter number 1, the summary of all the transaction is account, under accounting terms. In accounts, personal account, goods account, asset account, income account, expenses account, etc. are included. In double entry system, there are rules for all these accounts. Accounts are written on the basis of these rules. Due to these rules of accounts is known as social science. Why account is known as social science? Because it has different types. Moreover, the effect of the transaction is based or is given on the types of its rules. Rules of accounts are formed on the basis of these types of account. Information and knowledge with the classification of accounts and the rules are given below. So first we will classify the accounts. Then we are going to study its rules. Once we are familiar with the rules of the accounts, never we will make mistake in making an entry of the transaction. Now classification of accounts. The classification of accounts is categorized mainly in two categories, that are personal and impersonal accounts. Impersonal accounts are also of two types, real and nominal accounts. In tabular form they are explaining on page number 31. A chart is given of types of accounts: personal account, impersonal account. In personal account there is only one type. In impersonal account there are real and there are nominal. Now these three are seen already in dual effect of transaction. That person who gives the benefit or receives the benefit means giver or the receiver. They are personal accounts. They are based on the name of persons. Wherever in relation to assets or goods, they are real accounts, and related to expense and income, they are nominal accounts. Okay. Now seeing in detail about this on page number 32. Generally, personal account, real accounts and nominal accounts are considered as the main accounts. These rules are framed for these accounts. Before having information about the rules of accounts, let us study the subcategories of these accounts and accounts related in therein. Now first we are looking for personal accounts. In business, when the transactions are made on credit, the counterparty is the person, means the opposite party is the person. This person may be natural person or legal artificial person. We all are natural person. Now legal artificial person means, for example, name of our school is Uma Vidyalaya. Then Uma Vidyalaya is also a type of person. No such person is named Uma Vidyalaya, but the name of the school is Uma Vidyalaya. So that is also a type of name. So that is legal artificial person. Due to credit transaction, debtor-creditor relation come into existence between person and other person. Live persons are included in natural person. Underline that thing, live person. We all are live person. We are included in natural person. Accounts of their names are maintained in the books. For example, Hetal's account, Dharmendra's account, Raman's account, etc. Business undertakes a transactions with legal artificial person also. Bank of Baroda account, Jeevan Jyot High School's account, Parag Medical Stores account, LIC's accounts are included in such persons. In brief, now underline from here, in brief, partnership form, company, cooperatives, association, club, social organization, religious institute are included in artificial person. Means what they are telling, name of a partnership firm, then company, then cooperatives, association, club, all these if names are given, then they are again nominal, they are again personal account, and they are based on the name of legal persons. We all are natural persons, they are legal persons. What is the difference between natural and legal person? My name is me, so I am a legal person. I am a live person, natural person. But Uma Vidyalaya is not a person who is live, who is not standing anywhere, so he is a legal artificial person. When natural or artificial person takes benefit of the business, he becomes the debtor of the business and the person becomes the creditor of that person. Takes the benefit is the debtor and gives the benefit, that is creditor. When natural or artificial person give a benefit to the business, he becomes the creditor to the business and the business becomes debtor for that. Now again we will repeat this thing, please try to understand. When natural or artificial person takes the benefit of the business, when natural or artificial person takes the benefit of the person, he becomes the debtor of the business and opposite party is creditor. And one is giving the business, then he is a creditor and opposite is the debtor. That thing you will understand where the rules are also given. Example, Ramesh sold goods worth 50,000 to Shiv Limited on credit. Here Shiv Limited is the debtor of the Ramesh while Ramesh is the creditor of Shiv Limited. That already I have explained first also. So goods sold to Ramesh, then Ramesh will be debtor for Shiv Limited and Shiv Limited will be creditor for Ramesh. That I have already explained how this thing is done. So in short, personal account means live person, natural person or legal artificial person. All of their names are included in personal accounts. Now real accounts. Here two types of account arises, goods accounts and assets account. In real accounts there are two types, that are goods accounts and assets account. Goods accounts. Products which are dealt with the business by the businessman are treated as goods. This we already know. What are our goods? What are our purchase sales? The type of business which we are doing and we are purchasing and selling its things, though that are our goods. Different types of goods related transactions are made. Keeping in mind the type of transactions, it is recorded in the goods related to appropriate account. Following goods related transactions are used. What are the goods related transactions? Purchase account, sales account, purchase return, sales return, goods withdrawn for personal use, goods destroyed by fire, goods gone by advertisement, goods given for donation. Point number 5 to 6 are discussed in later. But first you understand this. Purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return. All other are other transactions, means outward of goods. We have already learned. Now assets. When business holds ownership for any tangible or intangible thing and has a monetary value, it is known as asset. This also everyone knows. Business is done with these types of assets. Business may have tangible or intangible assets. Tangible means which we can touch, feel and see. Intangible means which we cannot touch, feel and see. Only its existence can be known. Business is done with these types of assets. Tangible assets includes like land, building, plant, machinery, furniture, vehicles which we can see, touch and feel. And intangible assets, goodwills, copyrights, patents, trademarks. In addition to tangible and intangible assets like investments in shares, investment in debentures, in deposits are also included in assets, but this you can't know now, no problem with that. As another subcategory of assets, current assets are also included. Current and non-current based on time. Non-current means more than 1 year and current means less than 1 year. Remember this thing friends, we have already learned in chapter number 1. Where accounts like cash balance, bank balance, debtor, stock, expense, paid in advance, income, outstanding are also included. Now these are the two types of real accounts, that are goods accounts and assets account. Goods means the things to which we are dealing in the business, that are goods accounts, that are purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return, and outward of goods by other ways. And others are assets account. Asset means intangible or intangible which has a monetary value. Now, third type is nominal accounts. These accounts of business perform their operation throughout the year. These accounts are called income and expenditure. In personal accounts, there are persons, that are natural persons or legal artificial persons. In real accounts, there are goods and there are assets. Whereas in nominal, it is related to incomes and expense of the business. So, income expenditure accounts. Computation of profit and loss of business is ascertained on these accounts. It is but natural thing. How you know that you are incurring profit? Suppose your expense is 100 and your incomes are 120. So your expenses are less than your income, so remaining 20 is your profit. Opposite to it, if your expenditure is 120 and your income is 100, so incomes are less than expenditure, then you will incur 20 rupees loss. So profit and loss can be known through this also. Okay, then again it has two types accounts of income: interest received, discount received, dividend received, rent received, brokerage received. In short, if I say what are our incomes, received are our income, paid are our expense. Then accounts of expense: wages, carriage, postage expense, stationery expense, salary expense, tax, depreciation we already know from chapter number 1. Discount allowed, insurance premium, advertisement expense, bank charges are also included in these types of accounts. So friends, we have seen the three types of accounts. Now illustration 4 is about classify the following accounts and give explanation in brief. The name of accounts are given, we have to decide that what types of accounts are there and a short explanation. See, all these illustrations are not included in our exam. These are just for our study, and if we are not studying this, then we cannot do the sums. Okay, so don't worry, no such questions in exam will be asked. This is only for your understandings. Okay, now Jeevan Commerce College account. Now this is which type of account? How can we know? Now Jeevan Commerce College is a name. Name means personal. In short, if you are coming for a name, then it is personal. Related to goods or assets, then they are real, and related to income and expense, then it is a nominal account. So see, it is a personal account, it is a legal artificial person. Then drawings. Now friends, we have learned in chapter number 1 what are drawings. Amount withdrawn for personal use, there are drawings. Who is withdrawing? Owner is withdrawing. So owner is personal, so it will be a personal account. It discloses particular about withdrawal done by owner of the business. So drawings are our personal, because that drawings is done by the owner. Owner is a person, so it is a personal account. Cash is our asset. It is our current asset, so it is our real account. Donation is our expense, so it is a nominal account. Machinery is our asset. We cannot change the machinery every year, so it is long term, so it is our asset and it is a real account. All these explanation, if you are not understanding friends, then I will like to say that please refer the 46 words. If you know that 46 words properly, then you will understand the reason what is this. Okay. Now again, land is our also asset. These all are our tangible assets, so assets are real accounts. Raj Medical Stores account. Again, Raj Medical Stores is the name of the medical, so it is personal account. Salary is our expense. Until nothing is given, so salary is our expense. See, discount received, then it is our income. Discount allowed, it is our expense. Received are our incomes, and paid are our expense. But if nothing is given, then that are our expense only. Carriage inward. Carriage means I have said in Gujarati. Carriage means a person who is coming and giving the goods to us from one place to another place. That is a carriage. Okay, so carriage is our expense. Furnitures are our assets, so real account. Carriage outward, inward and outward. Inward means to bring the goods to the business, and outward means to sell the goods to another person. So both are nominal accounts. Expense means nominal. Stationery is our expense, so it is nominal account. Wages also are our expense, so it is nominal account. Copyright is our asset, but it is intangible asset, it is real account. Interest received is our income, so nominal account. Union Bank, it is the name of the bank, so it is a personal account. Rent paid means our expense, so it is nominal account. Reliance shares. Now if you are coming through these words shares and investments, so these all are our assets only. Okay, what are these shares? I will explain in detail when we are meeting personally. Here you cannot understand this thing, so it is real assets account. Now discount received is our income, so it is nominal account. Ahmedabad branch, it is the name of the branch, so personal account. Bad debts already we learned. If any person is not paying the amount after our efforts, there is our loss is our expense, so it is nominal account. Karnavati Club is the name of the club, so it is personal account. Debtors, all our debtors are our person, so they are personal account. Goods distributed as sample account. Now they are expense account. Why? Because we are giving freely goods, so that is our expense. If I am opening new business, I am providing samples to you, then I am providing in free of service, that is my expense, so nominal account. Creditors are the person, so personal account. Factory expense is the nominal account, it is an expense. Nilambhen is the name, so personal account. Depreciation is the expense, so nominal account. Gujarat government, it is also a person, legal person, so it is personal account. Received bank interest, it is our income, so nominal account. Goods given for advertisement, it is also nominal, because again if free sample or for advertisement you are giving, so it is nominal account. Dividend received account is also a nominal account, it is our income. Commission received, same to that, again nominal account. Goodwill is our intangible asset, so real account. Commission allowed, so it is our expense, so nominal account. Bills receivable are our assets, so real account. Personal account, sorry. Bills receivable is all the name of person, as already we learned in first chapter. Bills receivable and bills payable, there are two parties, one is the writer, one is the acceptor. If we want to receive the amount in future, we are writing the bill, that is to the person, so it is personal account. And if we are accepting the bill, then it is also a personal. From the parties, there are two parties, as you know from that chapter. Discount allowed is the expense, so it is nominal account. Stock account is related to goods, so real account. Capital account is personal, because capital is opposite to drawings. Capital means any investment made in the business, and drawings means withdrawal from the business, so it is personal account. Purchase account is real account, related to goods. So much words. So again they are giving in one page itself, classified properly. Personal accounts, real accounts, nominal accounts, all again a summary is given, you can see that also. Notes are given, we can read. Debtors and creditors can be included in natural or artificial. If they are telling Uma Vidyalaya, we have to receive the amount from Uma Vidyalaya, that is a legal artificial person. Or if we are receiving money from a person from Uma Vidyalaya, then that is a natural person. So both are persons only, that are personal account only. Bills receivable can be included in assets also, as I made a mistake, can be included in assets, but name of persons are given, so it is personal account. Item number 24 and 31 mentioned in the question, emphasis to even expense. There is outward of goods, 24 and 31. is goods distributed to sample, and 31 goods given for advertisement is given in the expense. There is outward of goods, thus considering other aspect credited as real account. Okay. These goods distributed as sample or goods given for advertisement, they are our expense also, they are our goods also. But they are given for free purpose, for advertisement or free sample, so it becomes our expense. So it will be written as an expense account only. Okay. But they are telling that through other aspect. See, accounting is such a thing. I am teaching and other person is teaching. Both are having some different aspects, but both are correct at the same time. So book is also saying that at once this is also correct, at once that is also correct. Both is correct. In accounting such things will occur whenever you are studying. So sometimes you will think that both are correct, then what we have to write? You can write both, but what is given in the answer proper, that is a thing. In notes they are giving only for your clarification. Classify the following accounts and give a brief explanation. Again also they are telling this. Let us see. Bills receivable, again bills receivable payables are, there are names of persons, so personal account. Demurrage is our expense, it is our personal nominal account. Bills payable, as I said, bills payable receivable are related to persons, so personal account. Vigils account is the name of person, so personal account. Closing stock is related to goods, so real account. Imani's account is personal account, name of the person. Patent is our intangible asset, so it is a real account. Bank of Baroda is the name of the bank, it is personal account. Bank overdraft is also personal account. Overdraft and bank balance are opposite. Bank balance is, suppose we are having in our bank 10,000, then maximum we can withdraw 10,000. But bank overdraft is somewhat different. If in our bank we are having 10,000 and we want 12,000, then we can withdraw if we have overdraft facility. So friends, please remember this thing, that if in your bank you are having 10,000, you can, normal persons all can withdraw 10,000. some businessmen can do these types of thing, overdraft facility also. That if you are having 10,000, you can withdraw more than 10,000, then that is a negative balance for the bank, and that negative balance interest will be charged. But once you can withdraw, okay, so it is also a personal account. It is a type of loan only. R&L Pandya High School, again it is name of person, so personal account. Petty cash account is also a real account. It is an asset like cash balance. Gujarat University is the name of person, so personal account. Interest on drawings. See, drawings are personal, but interest charged to it is an expense or income. It is a nominal account. Tata Company is a personal account. Interest on capital, again it is a nominal account. It is expense, can be income also. Share of Tata Company, shares, debentures, these all are investments, so real account. Loan we are borrowing, so for loan is of personal name, so personal account. Debenture of Tata, see, share, debenture, if the word comes, then it comes in assets only. What are these things? I will explain later. They are our assets, so real account. Interest paid is our expense, nominal account. The interest received, so it is our income, so nominal account. Insurance premium, it is our expense, so nominal account. Bad debts return is our income. Bad debts means we are incurring loss, and from that loss if we are getting something in future, so that is bad debts return, opposite to bad debts. So that is our income, so nominal account. Office expense is expense, so nominal account. Salary outstanding, now see, salary is the expense, so it is generally expense, so it is nominal account. But salary outstanding is for the specific person, so it will be personal account. Why personal account? Because to a specific person. Suppose in our business we are having 10 employees. We have given salary to 8 employees, that is normal. But we have not given salary to 2 employees, that name should be remembered, so it should be personal account. Sales expense, so it is expense, so nominal. Rent payable, it is expense, so rent payable, not paid. Again, see, listen these things. We have learnt in chapter number 1 receivables and payables. If we have not received, we will receive in future, that is our receivables. Name of person will be written, so it is related to person. In the same way, we have to pay to a person, we will pay in future, that is our payable. Again, name should be remembered for that, so it is again a personal account. So outstanding, receivable, advance. Advance means first we are receiving and benefit is given afterwards. Suppose if you are working in a company, your salary is 5,000, but you are taking 10,000 from them as 5,000 extra, then they will remember your name. So again, outstanding, receivable, what we have seen in chapter number 1, payable, all these things will be included in personal, because the person who is receivable or payable, that name should be remembered, for that it is personal. So rent is paid then nominal, but payable means name should be remembered, so it is personal. Wages payable or outstanding, again we have not paid, it is payable, name is required, so it is personal. Here in the book they are giving different explanation, no problem, but how we will understand, that is important. United Insurance Company, name of the company, so personal. Railway freight is our expense. When we are borrowing the goods from the train, we have to pay some charge, that is railway freight, that is expense, so nominal. Royalty is a nominal, it is an expense. What is royalty actually? If I am a designer, or if I have some special skills, that company will use my skills and will pay me the amount, then for company it is an expense, because I am a designer. I am designing different things on behalf of the company. So company will pay some amount to me. That is an expense of the company, because company does not have the skill that what I am having. If I am a designer or I am having some special skills, so company will pay for me for that, so it is an expense for the company, so it is royalty. In detail we will see in 12th standard, it is not required now, it is just our expense. Again on page number 39, machine repairing, it is our expense, so nominal. Vehicles are our assets, so real account. Dividend received is our income, so nominal account. Income tax is payable to a personal person, so it is a personal account. Tax is the expense, but income tax is all based on person. If I am earning 5 lakhs, then I will pay tax according to 5 lakhs to government. If you are earning 3 lakhs, then you will pay tax on 3 lakhs. So tax is different for every people as per your income, so it is personal account. Normally tax is given, then it is nominal, but income tax is given, so it is based on my income, their income, other people income. So it will become a personal. Ramaben, again it is name personal. Sarmishtaben, it is a name personal. Vasani brothers, it is a name so personal. Jasani brothers, it is name so personal. Vasani, Jasani, again it is personal. But what is the difference between Vasani brothers and Vasani? Jasani sons and Jasani. See, Vasani and brothers means it is the name of the company or name of a business, so it is legal person. And only Vasani account, it is name of natural person. So that is the difference, but both are personal. Commission received, so it is our income, so it is nominal. Commission allowed, it is our expense, so nominal. Discount received, it is income, so nominal. Discount allowed, it is expense, so nominal. Stationery stock, see, stationery is our expense, but it is nominal. Now here we are having stock of that stationery, so it is a real account. Same like closing stock. At the end of the year, if we are purchasing a stationery of rupees 10,000, if we are using it of 8,000, then 2,000 is remaining is our asset, because next year also it is useful. Same like machinery. If we are using machinery now, same is used for next year also, so that is our asset. So same way stationery stock is also our asset, so real account. Then sales account is real account, it is related to goods. Sales return is also real account related to goods. Purchase return is purchase, and purchase return are also related to goods, so real accounts. And last, goods destroyed by fire, it is expense, it is a loss. Goods destroyed in accident, or goods given as charity, or goods given as sample, or goods given as advertisement, all are expense and real account also. They are nominal in the sense they are expense, because no amount is received. It is our loss, so they are nominal. We can say that account as real account also, because it is related to goods also. So both can be written. Whether it can be written real also, then also it is correct. They can be written as nominal, then also it is correct. But we will write nominal only, because book is writing. So again, these things are given. Again, explanation is given. No need for that. So friends, we have seen 2 illustrations. That's okay for today. Then next topic we will continue it tomorrow, because so much things are being seen today. So I hope everyone is seeing this lecture 2 or 3 times, taking your books and learning, as nowadays you are not having the homework. So please don't think that you just watch and lecture, so it is okay. Watch the lecture, try to understand. These all are the base. I know that everyone will be getting bored, that sir is only speaking, nothing writing in the board, but what to write is in these things? There is nothing to write. There are 2 again chapters. This second chapter and third chapter will somewhat bore you. You will feel bored. You will feel that what sir is always speaking, nothing writing in the board. I know that most of the people, if I am writing on the board, then it is interesting. If I am not writing on the board, then you will become lazy, and I will also not feel to learning. Okay, our previous lectures were of 40 minutes, but this is of 30 minutes. That is the reason, because you will not get bored. So hope you will understand and continue the things daily, and continue the work daily. Don't leave the work at a side. Okay friends, that's all for today. Thank you.